We did not receive an open.
Correct. So last is wrong. First 6 are sentences correct. So from this you can get the information. So about card 14. Okay. So then we go to the next page. The botany agriculture and ecology. Usually in botany, ecology and agriculture, they ask a lot of questions related to the classification of the plants. From few questions what are the father of botany. Then Aristotle classified the plants into flowering and non-flowering plants. And then it was in taxonomy, the plants were classified into Cryptogams and Cryptogams. Then Cryptogams are having the Chlorophytes are there, Halophytes are there, Pteridophytes, and then you are different from the Angiosperms. So those particular plant classification, their examples they ask. And they are asked over here. Next question. Did that first question important?
Lash is a symbiotic nitrogen fixing organism associated with root noodles of legume plants. Option A, Rhizobium, second, and C, Bacillus and Typhus.
Correct. Now here in this particular, I told you that classification is important. Okay, so can anybody tell me what is a legume? What type of plant is legume? Legume is angiosperm and dicot. So legume is the dicot and angiosperm. So what is dicot? What is angiosperm? You should know. Then rhizobium, what type of plant it is? Rhizobium is a plant. What type of plant is rhizobium? Correct. So the bacteria is a plant. Why bacteria is called the plant?
Because it regains its fertility. If you plant this leguminous plants, then this rhizobium organism regains its fertility.
That is not the answer. See, what you are telling is a very good information. But the question is here, why the bacteria is called as a plant? So you should know the difference between plant and animals. So what is the important difference to call a particular living organism as a plant? Which organism can be called as a plant and which organism can be called as an animal? So what is the deciding factor? What? Cellulose. And membrane of any animal is made, cell membrane of any animal cell is made up of what? Lipoprotein. So at a cellular level, if you see the cell membrane of bacteria, it is made up of cellulose. And all the cell wall of the cell membrane of plant cell is also made up of what? Cellulose. And that is the reason why bacteria is called as a this. Now the rhizobium is a bacteria. What about Escherichia? What is called Escherichia? Escherichia for? So why Escherichia is important? In city of Mumbai, Escherichia is very important. Correct. So the everybody needs vitamin B complex, and naturally that vitamin B complex is produced in everybody's human body, human intestine. Suppose you are requiring 100 units of B complex every day, 50% you get from your own body. And in our body, especially jejunum and I think that is a part of the long intestine, these Escherichia coli are present. And that E. coli produce vitamin B complex. So that is why it is called the symbiotic. What about bacillus? Bacteria. But what about bacteria? Why it is called bacillus? Okay, so they were telling extra information. I am asking you what is bacillus? See, the bacteria, so Escherichia, we call it as a coli. Okay. So that bacteria is called as a coli bacteria. Because of this C. So bacillus is a type of bacteria which is round shaped, rod shaped. Correct. So the rod shaped bacteria are bacilli. And why the bacilli bacilli are very dangerous to the human body. But there are certain bacilli which are useful also. So can anybody tell me which is useful bacilli? Okay, anything else? Okay, so you went into biotechnology, BT cotton, BT brinjal, that is okay. But tell me the bacillus which is useful, you are using in day-to-day life. See, this Amul, they have come out with one curd which is called the probiotic curd, and that is the lactobacillus they have developed. So the lactobacillus which can produce certain vitamins are also available, and that is called the probiotic food. Even Parsi Dairy in Mumbai, they were the first to come out with this probiotic curd, and there they developed the lactobacillus different variety. So the bacilli, like lactobacillus, they are useful bacteria. Then she told Bacillus thuringiensis. You are sitting on these tables, whatever the dust present everywhere in soil or on the road or here also, it has some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis, and this is used for producing biotechnological or genetically modified crops which can resist the pest. So that Bacillus thuringiensis you should know. These are the two important useful bacilli. And then remaining are called as the dangerous bacilli. Anybody can tell me which is the dangerous one? Anthrax is there. Anything else? So it is a cholera, Vibrio cholera. That is also Thomas effect, but again it is from the bacillus. The next is typhus. What type of bacteria? Bacilli typhus. It is type. Not necessary. Bacilli can be positive, negative, both is time. It's not necessary. Don't go with this way. Anybody can tell me about typhus? Okay, you guys are able to understand what is happening? Okay, so can anybody tell me, see what he is saying is also correct. So there are certain bacteria which can cause exothermic effect. Exothermic means not thandi. Exothermic means it starts very hot. Hot is a different way of telling you. So why this? You might be able to tell. थोडक्यात त्याचा अर्थ असा बॅक्टेरिया कुठला बॅक्टेरिया शरीरात ताप येतो bacteria can give you pyrexia, that is a sense of fever. Any infection which can cause inflammation can be fever. Anyway, next.
When the part of tape is removed in a circular fashion all around near its base, it is gradually dried up and digest because first, water from soil cannot rise to earlier parts. B. Roots are starved of energy. C. Trees infected by soil microbes. D. Roots do not receive oxygen for respiration.
D. So answer is D. Roots are starved. Next.
Consider the following: photosynthesis, respiration, decay of organic matter, volcanic action. Which one of the above add carbon dioxide to the carbon cycle on Earth?
So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis releases oxygen. So photosynthesis never releases carbon dioxide. It releases oxygen. So one is not going to be the correct. So go to the alternative. Either C or C will be correct. So then we have to find out C. Correct. So the answer is C. Then next.
With the reference to micro irrigation, which of the following statement is correct? Fertilizer nutrient loss can be reduced. It is the only mean of irrigation in dry land farming. In some areas of farming, acidity of the groundwater taken temperature.
Okay, so the fourth is correct one. So the first is correct, second is wrong, third is correct. So the answer is C. Okay, so likewise we go to the page number 9. Who's going to read? So this is related to zoology. चला 5 ते 9 नंबरचा प्रश्न
Beer is produced by fermentation of beer, barley, malt and starch by Klebsiella pneumoniae,
Related to beer. Okay, so the answer is Saccharomyces is or the Trevisi. So the answer is B. Okay, so can anybody tell me Klebsiella pneumoniae? What word it is? Klebsiella pneumoniae. It is used for the production of certain antibiotics. Especially you might be knowing that chloromycin is produced by that. Then endomyces is, anybody know endomyces is used for? Again, production of antibiotics. As a mucor, no antibiotics, but a poison is produced by it. So the answer is B. The next,
BT cotton is a crop which has acquired resistance against pests. A. Natural, B. Genetically modified, C. Artificial, and D. Inbred.
next,
In animal tissue culture, lysine is used for reaggregation of tissue, proliferation of tissue, disaggregation of tissue, differentiation of tissue.
now what is lipsin? It is enzyme. It is used for the lipsin is used for digestion of proteins. So where it is used in this? Gut, so tissue. So answer is C. Next,
In females, that hormone controls final stage of formation of follicle and A. Human chronic gonadotropin, adrenaline, oxytocin, and thyroxine.
all these are the hormones present in everybody's body. So they are asking here, especially the females, the follicle and the oocyte bleed because of what? So the answer is HCG. Human chorionic gonadotropin. Then what is the function of the adrenaline? What is the function of oxytocin and the thyroxine? All this information is given in the 10th standard book. The next.
Dash is an example of bird which has become extinct from the natural ecosystem. Vulture, dodo, sparrow.
Dodo. So where you get that dodo animal? What is the habitat of dodo? You found dodo in India? No. What is the habitat of dodo? Okay. Madagascar. So dodo, the habitat of Madagascar, island Madagascar. Where is Madagascar?
Africa.
Correct. Near Africa. Next.
Dash is the world's first mammalian clone to be created by using genetic engineering technique.
Sheep.
Dolly.
Next.
Agarose jets are used for separation of DNA molecules because agarose is positively charged, B is a highly porous material, C is a hydrophobic material, D is strongly.
Okay, so from this you can get the idea. So this was question asking PCS video. So this is the level of study you need to do. So this is a question from the biology. And the DNA you might be doing everything, but this is the application. So here the answer is B. 7 is B. Okay, so then we go to the page number 11.
AIDS is a type of dash endemic, epidemic, pandemic, hereditary. Pandemic.
Okay. So what do you understand pandemic disease? Why is this pandemic disease? Why do you answer pandemic?
I had read it.
Great. But what is pandemic disease? Okay, can anybody tell me what is the endemic disease? Example of the endemic disease? Okay, so AIDS is a pandemic disease. Example of endemic. So what do we understand pandemic disease? Disease which can occur simultaneously in given period at various places in the world. What the question is like, and this explanation is like, pandemic disease is what? A disease which can occur simultaneously in given period of time all over the world. What that means? Now you know this chikungunya. It's not a pandemic disease. Why? It can't be simultaneously present all over the world, even at certain places. So a disease which is present all over the world simultaneously in given period of time. For the time period is usually 1 year. साधारण एका वर्षामध्ये जर एखादा आजार जगातल्या अनेक ठिकाणी एकाच वेळी आढळला त्याला पॅन्डेमिक आढळला. मग एड्स तसा आहे. दुसरीकडे बघायला गेला तर कर्करोग, कुठलाही कॅन्सर घ्या ऍक्सिडेंटल डेथ लाईक दिस, किंवा जर तुम्ही बघायला गेला मलेरिया इज नॉट अ पॅन्डेमिक डिसीज. मलेरिया इज कॉल्ड एज व्हॉट टाइप ऑफ डिसीज? एंडेमिक. तुम्ही अमेरिकेत गेला आणि तुम्हाला 1 लाखभर दात चावले एखाद्या, मलेरिया होतच नाही. निग्रो माणसाला आपल्या आता समजा मुंबईमध्ये एखादा निग्रो राहत असेल आणि त्याला आपण 1 लाखभर डास असलेल्या खोलीत ठेवलं, ते डास किती चावले निग्रोला मलेरिया होत नाही. वाय इट इज सो? तर इट इज पुन्हा मलेरियाचा व्हायरस झाला तर तुमच्यावेळी कोणते जर मराठी मलेरिया म्हणजे बॅक्टेरिया म्हणाला तर मलेरिया बॅक्टेरियामुळे होत नाही. मलेरिया डास चावल्यामुळे होतो असा शोध मुंबईत लागला. मुंबईत आपल्याकडे हाफकिन आहे तिथं रोनॉल्ड रॉस नावाचा एक ईस्ट इंडियन कंपनीतला डॉक्टर काम करत होता आणि त्यावेळेला त्याने शोध करून असा लावला शोध की साधारण 1897ला की एक डासाची मादी, ती सुद्धा अॅनाफिलिक डासाची मादी चावली तरच माणसाला मलेरिया होतो. जर त्या अॅनाफिलिक डासाचा नर चावला तरी होत नाही, क्युलेक्स डास चावला होत नाही, किंवा एडिस त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा होत नाही. सो वाय दिस? तर त्याकडनं त्यांनी संशोधन केलं आणि डासाला म्हणजे मलेरियाला कारणीभूत बॅक्टेरिया नाही, व्हायरस नाही, तर एक आधीची म्हणजे प्रोड्युसर, तर त्याला प्रोड्युसरला प्लाझ्मोडियम म्हटलं जातं. There are 4 to 5 types of the plasmodium, and these plasmodium grow in salivary gland of mosquito, especially Anopheles female, because there is a suitable temperature. तर साधारणपणे विश्वामध्ये 2 सजीव आहेत ज्यांच्या तापमानाला प्लाझ्मोडियमची वाढ होऊ शकते आणि ते म्हणजे एक डासाची बाई म्हणजे अनॉफेलिस आणि माणूस. अनॉफेलिक डास कुत्र्याला चावला, कुत्र्याला मलेरिया होत नाही, घोड्याला मलेरिया होत नाही, कुठल्याही प्राण्याला, सापाला सुद्धा एखादा डास चावला त्यालाही मलेरिया होतो. तर मलेरिया इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लाझ्मोडियम. आणि साधारणपणे निग्रो लोकांना आता आपल्याला मलेरिया का होतो? बिसाइड्स टेम्परेचर आपल्या शरीरातले जे आरबीसी असतात त्या आरबीसी मध्ये मलेरियाच्या प्लाझ्मोडियमची वाढ होते आणि आरबीसी मध्ये जे हिमोग्लोबिन असतं त्याच्यातला ग्लोबिन नावाचा जो काही प्रथिनाचा भाग आहे इट इज इटन बाय प्लाझ्मोडियम अँड दॅट इज इट्स फूड. आणि म्हणजे हिमोग्लोबिन जर समजा एखाद्या आरबीसी मध्ये नसेल तर प्लाझ्मोडियम रक्तामध्ये जगत नाही. बरोबर. देयर आर द 2 कंडिशन्स. Today's paper you might have read in the newspaper. There is one blood group called as a Bombay blood group. A person having Bombay blood group, the hemoglobin present in that particular Bombay blood group person might be AB, whatever, but the Bombay is a H antigen is present. So that H antigen is present on the nucleus of that particular RBC. आणि मग त्याच्यात hemoglobin जे असते H antigenचं ते मलेरियाच्या प्लाझ्मोडियमला खायला जातात. तसंच निग्रोच्या शरीरात हिमोग्लोबिन जे असतं ते एस असतं. सो द ओनली हे टाइप ऑफ हिमोग्लोबिन कॅन बी इटन बाय प्लाझ्मोडियम अँड दॅट इज व्हाय मलेरिया cannot be a disease to the negroes as well to that sickle cell anemia of guys and Bombay blood cold. तर हे असलं सगळं तुम्हाला माहिती असायला पाहिजे. एनिवे, so the pandemic disease I told you, malaria is not a pandemic disease, it is an endemic disease. Malaria cannot be present everywhere in the world. Malaria फक्त कुठं असणार आहे? उष्ण कटिबंधातच. ते उष्ण कटिबंधात निग्रोला लागणार नाही किंवा जर समजा अमेझॉन खोऱ्यामध्ये गेलं तिथे नाही लागणार. Especially in the monsoon countries where the tropical humidity is very high, तिथंच असतो तो. आणि मग याला मलेरिया कमी व्हावं म्हणून तो DDTचा वापर केला गेला. त्याच्यात ते मगाशी आपण बघितल्याप्रमाणे एक प्रश्न सुद्धा आला होता. What is epidemic disease? Epidemic disease is not H1N1. H1N1 is what? Epidemic disease is see, there is a possibility of every 50 stage of the development of that particular fetus, especially 7 to 8 months. 7 ते 8 महिन्यापर्यंत त्या बाळाचा एज नसतो, पण नंतर ते आईच्या रक्तातला कार्यक्रम दिला जातो. And that is why the child suffers from AIDS. Otherwise, up to the age of and AIDS is not a disease of the blood. The AIDS is a disease of what we call as the reticular endothelial system. And that reticular endothelial system is what? The child doesn't have its own blood till the age of 7 months inside uterus. 7व्या महिन्यापासून त्याचं रक्त तयार होतं आणि ते रक्त जे तयार होतं ते रेटिक्युलर एंडोथेलियल सिस्टमशी संबंधित असत नाही. आयबीसी आणि बाकीचा सगळा जो भाग आहे ते बाहेर आल्यानंतर ते तयार व्हायला सुरू होतं आणि त्याच्यामुळं कान बी कॉल्ड हेरिडिटी डिसीज कसा म्हणायचा की ते स्पर्म घेतलं पुरुषाचं आणि एक घेतला महिलेचा आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फर्टिलायझेशन केल्यानंतर then it is called as the this. And now see that Purvala in England, that Royal George. So that particular family, England royal family, is known as the suffering hemophilia, and hemophilia is called as the royal disease. So why royal disease? Hemophilia is royal disease. If a person has to suffer from the hemophilia, then the defect has to be on that X chromosome. Now, color blindness. And color blindness, not color blindness, hemophilia. And hemophilia is called as a royal disease. So why royal disease? Hemophilia is royal disease. If a person has to suffer from the hemophilia, then the defect has to be on that X chromosome of the female and X chromosome of the male. If both the damaged X chromosomes come into the daughter, then she will be fully suffering from hemophilia. Her life will be say 17 to 18 years. Suppose only one X is damaged in a daughter, that is come from the mother either or the father, and other is the original or non-damaged, then the life can be 50 years or she can't be suffering from this hemophilia, but she will be carrier. And then there is a possibility her son might be suffering from hemophilia. So females usually are carriers in a lot of genetic disorders, and the males are sufferers. So hereditary disease is usually you will find more prevalent in males than in females. Why it is so? Because males are having only one X, but the females are having how many? 2 X. So if one X is damaged, other will be good one, and that is hereditary. Okay, so the next. Next. What is it going to be?
Diet is secreted by human cells just to resist the immediate invasion of viruses and cells and multiplication of abnormal cells.
Now, what is the answer?
Intercourse. First stage.
Correct. Intercourse. Correct. Now we go to page number 13. So hereditary AIDS is not. What was the date?
Among the following, which countries have signed nuclear fuel supply agreement with India till 28 March 2012? America, France, Russian Federation, Colombia.
Not all. America has not yet signed. 2008, that 1 to 3 agreement. We have signed with everybody, but America we have not signed it. For that we need our parliament and their House of Representatives. They need to pass that particular act. After that passing, it will be signed. And Barack Obama, suppose the George Bush would have been continuing, or the Republican Party would have been in power, we would have signed. Democratic Party is in power, and till Democratic Party will be ending. But so the answer is in power, we won't sign. C. 2, 3, 4.
Mention the current extent in ordering which falling energy resources are used in India.
Correct.
Coal energy, oil energy, hydro energy, and natural gas energy.
Yeah. So tell me. C. Next. Correct answer is C. Okay. So go to the page number 14. Next. So what is ICT? What is ICT? Information and communication technology. माहिती तंत्रज्ञान आणि दूरसंचार टेक्नॉलॉजी. So ICT is the information and communication technology. Okay, so read it.
The different protocols are given below, which are involved in the transfer of the data over an internet connection, which are generally the fastest protocols. HTTP,
Is the fastest or not?
TCP, FTP, DHCP, UDP, NMTP, IMAP, RSVP.
Okay. So how many know all the? How many of you know all the long forms of all the?
Hypertext transfer protocol, transport control protocol, file transfer protocol.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, so the answer is B. You just find out the what are the long forms of all of these. Next.
The wireless local area network at home uses which radio frequencies for
Okay, so the answer is B. This is a very technical question. You have to study. Next.
As per the ITS Amendment 2008, whoever intentionally captures, publishes or transmits the image of a private area of any person without his or her consent, violating the privacy of a person, shall be punished with
Yes.
3 weeks imprisonment or
Okay, so you read that 15 So the last topic is the Indian science and technology. Sorry, 8. Question, topic number 8, question number 1.
Who major atomic power station sites of India are given below? Arranged in the descending order of the classes. KPS.
KPS means Kaiga atomic power station.
RAPS, KPS, DAPS.
Good answer. So you read that A is KPS, C is RAPS, like that. Okay, so as far as presently Rajasthan power station is having capacity almost 12 megawatt. So that is number 1. Rajasthan, that is Rawat Bata, Kota, Rajasthan, they are given. Okay, so they are not given the order. Okay, so here the answer is here. If you see the order correctly, then RAPS is 1, CAPS is 2, then Kaiga is 3, and Kakrapar is 1.
The Maharashtra first.
Second.
Rajasthan.
I told you this in PAPP that BWR 180 is the installed capacity. Hardly they are producing 160 volt. And these are 69. Now we have the capacity is so that comes again. Okay, next.
Varnish water reverse. Osmosis technology for water purification. The technology is based on solar photovoltaic, solar flares. The objectives of the Committee on Space Research possible are we promote scientific research in space, exchange research, information and opinions. We provide a forum for discussions and debates, discussion of the problem that may affect scientific space research.
Okay, so answer all of them. So now just I want to tell you, as far as this exam is considered, very specific mentality is required. Discipline is required. Organizing yourself with available resources is a very big one. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला अभ्यास करताना एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचा अप्रोच असायला पाहिजे. If you are not following any type of strategy, then it is not going to help you. From this type of the papers, you are getting the idea as far as the nature of the question, from very simple questions to very complicated questions. So understand until you develop your own strategy. and your own approach. आता याच्यात तू वाचलेलं आहे पण एमएससी तयारी करायला तुमच्या हातात करा एमएससी आता काही फक्त हे पुस्तक वाचायचं
सर इंग्लिश मध्ये ट्रान्सलेट करून द्या ना.
लक्षात घ्या आता आपण जे बघितलं नव्हतं आता हे जे बुकलेट आहे त्या बुकलेटमध्ये पहिलं सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं UPSC मेन्स सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी बाय स्पेक्ट्रम पब्लिकेशन. Science and Technology by Spectrum Publication, latest edition. They will be publishing in the month of August. Within 15 days, that will be in the market. You have to read that. Main UPSC main guide hai. So that is published by the Spectrum Publication. Then second, India 2013. India 2013. There are 6 topics related to science and technology. So you have to read that. Author is the government of India. Indian Buddha. Don't go for any that Panorama and all. They are useless as well. The next 11th and 12th standard Maharashtra State Board books. Then 8th, 9th, 10th standard NCERT books. 8th, 9th, 10th NCERT books. Then Tata McGrail Prelims book. Tata McGrail has come out one of the best guide. Tata McGrail guide, General Studies guide. You can read science and technology part from that book. That book is very good for the science and technology. All the small topics are not that TMG, Tata McGrail Publications Prelims guide. So these are enough. And along with this, you can science reporter. Right on that, monthly magazine Science Reporter. It is say around about 100 pages magazine, but at least 50% of the material is used for our examination. Science Reporter. Then the name of the magazine is the Science Reporter. And then website. Right on the website of NICMAR, NICMAR. NICMAR, NICMAR. The first website. Second is Visro. Then ISRO, AEC, Atomic Energy Commission. Then DRDO, website of DRDO. Lot of questions they are asking to on this. Then Biotechnology Department. Then website of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Then Government of India's Public Health Department. So this one is enough. So then next lecture we will be having on this environment.